Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll go with that.
Yeah.
Or with the white one. How about the white one? Right between those two vehicles be good. A little further away. You'll get a better turning radius. Your steer tires are in the front. Oh, I see what you're doing.
This is how my dad showed me, so
fine.
it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not
Okay.
illegal.
Okay.
It's different
Yeah.
than what we do. We just want to stay straight like that and back in, but
Okay,
that's okay.
maybe you
That's
can
fine.
show me that way, because I'm not gonna lie, I forgot the 3-line
Yeah.
method thing.
Not a problem. If you do it this way and it works out, let's just go with this.
Okay.
I don't have any issue. The examiners don't have any issue with that at all. Nice and straight, yeah. Awesome.
So every
good.
time I park, do I have to say engage park?
Engage park brake, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so like if you swing it out to the left like that, don't worry about it. You can do that.
Okay.
The only thing that there would be concerned about is if you swing out into the opposite lane of traffic, make sure nothing's coming first. So
Okay.
it's common sense. All right, so they're going to start you from here, and I'll take you on the route now. Let's make a right turn out of here. How's the temperature? There.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine. I got the seat on. The heater. We'll go right down to the end, and we'll make a left turn at the end of the building. Okay, so I like where you're positioning your vehicle here so that you're allowing any vehicles to turn the corner, giving them space. At the roadway, we're going to make a right turn. You want both lanes of traffic to be clear. And they'll remind you of what the speed limit is here on LaSalle. Some of them do, some of them don't say anything, but it's 50. And if they don't say anything at all, you just go straight.